Hey guys, I'm back with another handwriting video. Today we are going to practice letters that only have straight lines. So they don't have any curvy parts and they don't have any hooks underneath. They only have straight lines and they're pretty easy. I think you guys are going to catch on to this really quickly. I want to remind you that all of our uppercase letters have to fill the space of the line. They have to be tall. They go all the way from the top to the bottom. All the way from the top to the bottom. They don't bounce on the line like a trampoline, and they don't float in the air like a balloon. So I'm going to show you our letters so we can get warmed up, and then these are the letters we're going to practice today. All right, here we go. The letter is A, the sound is A. The letter is T, the sound is T. The letter is I, the sound is I, like you're itchy. The letter is K, the sound is K. The letter is F, the sound is F. And you should blow a little air out like a fan. You should feel some air coming in your teeth. The letter is L, the sound is O. The letter is H, the sound is you should feel your breath. The letter is E, the sound is like elbow. So these are going to be really easy. We're going to start with all of our letters that come straight down. So I'm going to start with E and F because they kind of look the same, don't they? Can you think in your brain what makes these two letters the same? And what makes them different? All right, so these are the two letters that we're going to practice today. We're going to practice E and F. So I'm going to start with E. So we start at the top. And remember, we have to come straight down. And then E has 1, 2, 3 lines. One at the top, one at the bottom, and then we put one in the middle. So watch me do that one more time. Straight line down. We go out at the top, out at the bottom, and then we go out in the middle. Now to make lowercase f, it's exactly the same. I just don't have a line at the bottom. So I go straight line down, cross it at the top, cross it in the middle. Straight line down, cross it at the top, cross it in the middle. Can you pause my video and practice making 2 uppercase E's and 2 uppercase F's either on your dry erase board or in your notebook? All right, so hopefully you practiced your E and your F, so we're gonna see what letters are next. Our next set of letters also kind of look the same. Can you tell me what's the same about I and T? Can you tell me something that's different? Well, if you said they both have a hat on the top, you're right. That makes them the same. So, again, we have to go all the way from the top to the bottom. So let's watch uppercase I and uppercase T. So uppercase I, straight line down, put a hat on the top and a line on the bottom. Uppercase T is just a straight line down and a hat on the top. It doesn't have anything on the bottom. So go ahead and pause my video and practice writing 2 uppercase T's and 2 uppercase I's. Pause my video and restart when you're ready. Okay, so we have a few more letters here, and we're going to start with, they kind of are close together in the alphabet, H, K, and L. Now there are some things that make these letters the same. I see tall sticks in all of them. But then the second part of each of these letters is different. So let's look at how to do H, K, and L. All right, so if you notice H has a straight line down, then we move over here and do a straight line down, and we connect it in the middle. Pretty easy peasy. Straight line down, leave a space, another straight line down, connected in the middle. Very good. Now, I don't want to see any letters like this, kindergarten friends. No bouncy letters on a trampoline. They have to touch the top to the bottom, the top to the bottom, cross it in the middle. So that's H. Now I'm going to skip K for a second because that's a tricky one. Let's just look at L. So easy. All the way down and over. Don't pick up your pencil. All the way down and over. Don't pick up your pencil. All the way down and over. Don't pick up your pencil. Can you pause my video and practice 2 H's and 2 L's? Okay, so the last letter is the letter K. And I saved it for last because it's just a little bit tricky sometimes for kindergartners. So we know that it has a straight line down, and we're really good at that by now. So we just do a straight line from the top to the bottom, but then you have to pick up your pencil and you have to go in and out, okay? Make sure that it's even and make sure that it touches. Straight line down, pick up your pencil, in, out. Now sometimes kindergartners make their uppercase K's like this. What do you think of this, boys and girls? Can you tell what's wrong with that? It did not connect right here, did it? I went down and I picked up my pencil and then I went down again, and I don't want to do that. I want to go straight down, over, and down. Don't pick up your pencil. All right, so get to practicing on those letters for today. Remember, on your sheet, you're going to trace the letter, you're going to write it, and then leave a good finger space and write it again. Today we're doing E, I, F, H, L, and K.